Hi friends, Ganesh here. Hope you're all doing wonderful. Today we are going to review the website knowthestock.com, a website that will help you to analyze a stock based on the quantitative data analysis. So let's get inside the topic. Do you ever face a situation where you feel lost by looking at a lot of data about the company before buying the stock? No wonder. I too had the situation before. And I'm sure many of us faced the same, but not anymore. Thanks to this wonderful website. This site will provide you all the data in just few seconds. Not only that, it will tell whether the stock is good to buy or hold or sell position right now. Remember, these are automatically produced based on the company's past data supplied. But it is just a tool so that will provide you alert without any emotions. You may be feeling the stock is good to buy now and it is going to be multi-bagger stock. But the tools may provide you opposite suggestion because they look at the past data and only its results what you see. So go ahead and buy if your gut feeling says so. But if you are a safe investor or trader and want some key data about a stock's past performance to make your decision, then try using this site. This site provides data only about the stocks listed in the US stock markets. While you find most of the company's stock, you will still see few of the companies are missing. Maybe they are still adding and hopefully will be available soon. Let me show you how to use this site. Type the ticker symbol or stock name in the search bar and hit enter. Let's take Apple stock for example. Once the page is loaded, you will see the stock name, and below to that you will see in which US stock markets it's listed. Next to that you will see compare and watch list buttons. You need to create account to use that features. The good thing is the website is free to use at this point. On the right hand side you will see the last stock price value and how much it's up or down from the previous day, and also the change of percentage. On the center you see the suggestion whether it is buy or hold or sell, and in the bottom it provides a justification for that suggestion. Below you see all the key parameters of the stock. Below you will see the fundamental score and rationale on the right side. These provide very valuable informations. If the fundamental score indicator is in green or blue, the stock performance was very strong in the past. On the right hand side we see the rationale, and it provides important informations about the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow. These are very key information we need to look at before buying any stock. The best part I like is the recommendations that will tell about how the long term score trend is and investment risk is. If you go down further, you will see price history chart and also an option to compare that stock performance with S&P 500. If you are more left brain dominated and will be cool for your eyes to see the real numbers, they don't disappoint you. Below you will see the financials tab, and that will provide all that numerical information. The last piece you will see is the company information. Once you log in, on the right side, you will see the login information. If you select the down arrow, you will see the dashboard option. When you select that, you will see your watch list, and on the right side you will see the recent searches you did. I hope this video was informative and useful to you. I'm so glad you spent your valuable time to watch this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share this to your friends and family. Keep watching this channel for more financial literacy videos. And also smash the like buttons if you enjoyed this video. The blue color like buttons are fuel for the YouTube algorithm. Also, it motivates me. See you all soon in another wonderful video. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you for watching.